Hello, my friend. Hello, I am Grandpa Joe. Come in and sit down. It is warm here. It is cozy here. I am so happy to see you today. So happy. Take off your shoes. Sit back. Rest a little. Today we learned something useful. Something we use every single week. We learned the days of the week. There are 7 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and more. We use these words all the time. See you on Monday. It is Sunday today. The shop is open on Saturday. The days help us plan our week. They help us meet our friends. Today we go slow, very slow. I say each day, and you say it after me. And I will tell you a little thing I do on each day. Take a deep breath, in and out. Good. Are you ready? Let us begin, nice and gently. The first day of the week is Monday. Monday. Say it with me. Monday. Again, slowly. Monday. One more time. Monday. Monday is the start of the week. On Monday, I water my plants. I say, "Good morning, little plants." Here is a small sentence. Today is Monday. Say it with me. Today is Monday. Lovely. Now say, "I like Monday." Say it. I like Monday. Wonderful. Monday can be a busy day, but we take it slow. On Monday, I make a nice cup of tea, and I read one page of my book. Say the day one more time with me. Monday. Wonderful. That is our first day. The next day is Tuesday. Tuesday. Say it with me. Tuesday. Again, slowly. Tuesday. One more time. Tuesday. Tuesday comes after Monday. On Tuesday, I go for a little walk. I walk in the garden. I look at the birds. Here is a small sentence. I walk on Tuesday. Say it. I walk on Tuesday. Very good. Now say, today is Tuesday. Say it. Today is Tuesday. Lovely. Now let us say the 2 days together. Monday, Tuesday. Lovely. On Tuesday, I like to say hello to my neighbor. We talk by the fence. It is a kind day. Say it one more time with me. Tuesday. Wonderful. 2 days now. Monday and Tuesday. The next day is Wednesday. Now this word is a little tricky. We say it like Wednesday. The middle D is quiet. Wednesday. Say it with me. Wednesday. Again, slowly. Wednesday. Do not worry about the spelling today. Just say it. Wednesday. One more time. Wednesday. On Wednesday, I write letters to my old friends. Here is a small sentence. It is Wednesday. Say it. It is Wednesday. Lovely. Now say, today is Wednesday. Say it. Today is Wednesday. Very good. Let us count the days so far. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh, very good. You are learning so well, my friend. Wednesday is the middle of the week. It is the little hill in the middle. Say it one more time. Wednesday. Wonderful. The next day is Thursday. Thursday. Say it with me. Thursday. Again, slowly. Thursday. One more time. Thursday. On Thursday, I go to the little shop. I buy bread and milk. Here is a small sentence. I shop on Thursday. Say it. I shop on Thursday. Now say, today is Thursday. Say it. Today is Thursday. Very good. Now the next day. Friday. Friday. Say it with me. Friday. Again, Friday. One more time. Friday. Oh, Friday is a happy day. The week is nearly done. On Friday, I bake a small cake. The kitchen smells lovely. Here is a little sentence. I like Friday. Say it. I like Friday. Lovely. Let us say them together. Thursday. Friday. Wonderful. We have 5 days now. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now we have 2 days left. These are the weekend. The first weekend day is Saturday. Saturday. Say it with me. Saturday. Again, slowly. Saturday. One more time. Saturday. On Saturday, I sit in my garden. I rest in my chair. I drink my tea slowly. Here is a small sentence. I rest on Saturday. Say it. I rest on Saturday. Lovely. Now say, I like Saturday. Say it. I like Saturday. Very good. And the last day of the week is Sunday. Sunday. Say it with me. Sunday. Again, Sunday. One more time. Sunday. On Sunday, I read my favorite book by the window. It is a quiet, happy day. Here's a little sentence. Today is Sunday. Say it. Today is Sunday. Now say, I rest on Sunday. Say it. I rest on Sunday. Wonderful. Saturday and Sunday. The cozy weekend. 2 days to rest and smile. Now let us say all 7 days from the start, nice and slow. Listen to me first. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Lovely and calm. Now you say them with me. Ready? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Oh, wonderful. You said all 7 days. You did so well, my friend. I am very proud of you. So proud. Let us do it one more time, even slower. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Beautiful. 7 days, 1 whole week. 5 days for work and school, 2 days for rest. That is the weekend. Say weekend with me. Weekend. Again, weekend. Wonderful. You are doing marvelously, my friend. Let us remember the little things I do. Listen and say the day with me. On Monday, I water my plants. On Tuesday, I go for a walk. On Wednesday, I write letters. On Thursday, I go to the shop. On Friday, I bake a small cake. On Saturday, I rest in my garden. And on Sunday, I read my book by the window. 7 days, 7 little things. See? Each day has a little thing. You can do this too. Think of one small thing for each day. What do you do on Monday? What do you do on Sunday? It helps you remember the days, and it makes each day feel special. Every day is a small gift, my friend. Open it slowly. Enjoy it fully. Now let us have a little fun. A small review. I will say a day, and you say the next day. Ready? After Monday comes Tuesday. Yes. After Wednesday comes Thursday. Yes. After Saturday comes Sunday. Yes. Oh, you are so clever. Let us try one more. After Thursday comes Friday. Yes. And after Friday comes Saturday. Yes. Now let us try the weekend. The 2 weekend days are Saturday and Sunday. Very good. Now here is a small question for you. Think slowly. What day is it today? Is it Monday? Is it Friday? Is it Sunday? Say today's day out loud to me, right now. I am listening. Thank you. And what will you do on that day? Will you rest? Will you work? Will you read a book? A lovely day it will be. Well done, my friend. Well done. Today we learn the 7 days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And we learned a little thing to do on each day. You worked so hard today. You should feel proud. I am proud of you. Do not worry if a day is hard to say at first. Just say it again, slowly, and it will come. Little by little, you learn. Now, all week long, when a new day begins, say its name out loud with a smile. On Monday, say Monday. On Sunday, say Sunday. It is good practice, and it is a happy little habit. If you enjoyed this slow lesson, please subscribe to English with Grandpa Joe. It helps our little library grow, and it makes this old teacher very happy. Thank you for spending your time with me. Goodbye for now. Goodbye. Have a lovely day, my friend. See you next time.